Today's topic hits close to home for so many people sooner than they ever expected. And if you're watching this, it might be hitting close for you too. You've just lost a parent or loved one. You thought these conversations and responsibilities were decades away, but here you are. If you found yourself as the estate's personal representative, named executor in the will, or just the most responsible sibling holding things together, take a deep breath. This video is for you. I'm going to walk you through what to do next, what pitfalls to avoid, and how to protect what's been left behind. Stay with me until the end because I'm sharing practical, often overlooked steps that can make all the difference in preserving your loved one's legacy. First and foremost, take time to grieve. I mean that sincerely. Grief deserves its space and time. But the hard truth is, grief can't be allowed to harden into paralysis. When you've been entrusted with settling an estate that includes real property, decisions still need to be made, even when you're not emotionally ready. The key in these first weeks is not to act rashly, but also not to let things sit so long that the estate's assets become vulnerable, because they can, and they often do. One of the first things you need to do before you even think about listing, selling, or distributing is to secure and preserve the property. I've heard too many horror stories. The neighbor who suddenly remembers they were promised the lawnmower, or the caretaker who still has a key, or even the girlfriend or boyfriend who moved in to help right before, or even siblings who take it upon themselves to grab a few keepsakes. These moments of chaos and confusion are when personal property and sometimes the home itself can be compromised. If your loved one's home is vacant, change the locks. Notify local law enforcement that the property is unoccupied, and those trustworthy neighbors as well. If there are valuables inside, document what's there and then remove anything that needs to be removed to a secure location. You're not being paranoid. You are protecting and preserving the estate. Next, monitor the financial side. If you have access to your loved one's bank accounts, keep a close eye on any withdrawals or transfers. Estate fraud doesn't always come from strangers. Sometimes it's a family member who rationalizes taking what they're owed. If you're not yet authorized to access the accounts, make sure you file the necessary paperwork with the probate court quickly so you can take control. Time is your ally when you move with purpose. The longer accounts or properties remain in limbo, the greater the risk that something goes wrong, most likely to the estate's detriment. From there, begin organizing the paperwork that matters: the will, any trust documents, the deed to the property, mortgage statements, insurance policies, and tax records. These are the backbone of the estate's real estate settlement process. You'll also want to identify if the home has any liens, unpaid taxes, or insurance lapses. Remember, you're not just inheriting a home, you're inheriting every obligation that comes with it as well. A smart first step is to reach out to an experienced probate or real estate attorney and then partner with a local realtor who understands the nuances of properties left in estates, estate sales, valuations, and how to market a property and what's part of the overall legal process. This is where professional guidance can save you time, money, and heartache. And please don't feel pressure to rush into selling the property at all. Some families need to sell quickly to settle debts or distribute funds, while others choose to hold on to it as a rental or a longer-term asset to the benefit of the family or other family members. Either decision can be right as long as it's made with clarity, good advice, and family transparency. What matters most is that you, as the representative, make informed choices that honor your loved one's wishes and protect the estate's value for all heirs involved. If you've recently found yourself in this position, unexpectedly managing the estate portion of an estate, know that you don't have to do it alone. At Modernest Realty, we specialize in helping families navigate these transitions with professionalism, care, and confidentiality. I'm Megan Johnson, broker and realtor, and my team and I are here to guide you through the process from securing the property all the way to preparing it for sale or transfer. If this video resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more guidance on real estate ownership, legacy, and decision-making in life's toughest moments. And in the comments, I'd love to hear what's one thing you wish someone had told you before handling a loved one's estate. So feel free to drop those comments below. And until next time, know me and my team, we're always here and happy to help answer any questions or help you with any of your needs here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Until next time, see you later. Bye.